help us continue our support to our community. Geico has a commitment to our communities that we're in, which is all over the nation. And we work with these awesome vendors to help us bring opportunities for people in our communities who need it. Such as today, we're going to be giving away a car today to someone in need, and she definitely, is someone who's deserving of it. Geico appreciates everyone showing up here, and if you guys need anything, please always reach out to us. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, Ron. Okay, so now let me see who our next one is. Okay, Heather Reamer. Is Heather here? Hi. Good. Okay, I'm going to turn it over to Heather, and she's going to take it from here.
No, actually.
Okay, absolutely. Okay, we have a little. We'll explain it here. We just need to change things up a little bit. Okay, so, sorry. Regina Rhodes. Boy, I'm getting it wrong today. I'm going to turn that over to Caliber Collision, and she's going to explain it.
All right, thank you. Thank you for coming out, everybody. We really appreciate it. As the nation's largest collision repair provider, Caliber's purpose is to restore the rhythm of the lives for our customers, for our clients, our teammates, and those in the community that we serve. So today, in partnership with Geico and National Auto Body, we are pleased to restore the rhythm of life for a very deserving individual by providing her with a gift of reliable transportation. Our technicians donate and volunteer their time to get these vehicles back into pre-accident condition. Excuse me. Get a little teared up about these things. Our North Sacramento location stepped up and did 90% of the repairs. Our RVP and our VP of operations brought the vehicle over the hill. Our Sparks team finalized the process, and our Caliber family always comes through. They come together in time of need. In fact, Caliber has donated nearly 300 vehicles valued at over $4 million, many of which were gifted to veterans. Thank you. Yes, thank you. They were gifted to veterans, active duty military members, charities, and families in need. All of this would not be possible without our valued partners. On this board, we recognize LKQ Corporation, Enterprise Rent-A-Car, Women's with Wheelz Car Show. We have ProTech Solutions, Dodge of Elk Grove, Superior Detail, Exalta, Central Valley Towing. Each one tell one. I mean, everybody comes together just to make it happen. We couldn't do without our partners. So it's great. When partners come together, we're able to make a difference. Every day we wake up inspired to serve our communities. We're proud to stand here today in partnership with Geico to present this recycled ride gifting. Please join in as we welcome Lauren Woods from Geico.
Welcome back.
All right. Well, I'm so glad we're all flexible out here. And I feel like the microphone might be working better now, which is great because I have a lot of great things to share with you. First of all, my name is Heather Reimer. I'm the president and founder of Each One Tell One. And on behalf of my board of directors today, we want to thank Recycle Rides, Caliber Collision, Geico. Teresa, I didn't get to meet you before now, but you've been so helpful in giving us the opportunity to partner in this amazing giveaway. Just a few things since I have your time and attention. Each One Tell One's mission is to raise dense breast tissue awareness for early detection of breast cancer. We provide education for women to learn and feel empowered about their own breast health and the best screenings for them based on many factors like family history, your age, and your breast tissue type. We believe that when you have dense breast tissue, a mammogram or even a 3D mammogram is not enough of a screening, okay? And we have a website that shares all of this information. But a few simple facts. 50% of all breast cancers are missed on a mammogram when you have dense tissue. 70% of all invasive breast cancers are found in dense tissue. So that is a risk factor for breast cancer in and of itself. And about 50% of all women have dense breast tissue. So please, please learn. If you do not know today what type of tissue you have, please find out. Okay, so my breast cancer was missed on my first mammogram when I was 40 years old. It was found at a late stage and required drastic treatment, which was a double mastectomy and 8 rounds of dose-dense chemo. It took a lot from me. And that is why this mission of ours is so, so important. All right, but today, we're just so happy and excited to be part of this project and choosing the recipient of this recycled ride. We met our recipient when she applied to be part of a program called Breast Cancer to Bikini. This program provides a fitness and nutrition program to women that have breast cancer to help healing after they've finished their treatment. We knew she was a special lady and has gone through and lost so much in this past year. Her life has literally been put on pause. The gift of this car means she will be able to continue her path through a master's program that was put on pause and to be independent and self-sufficient. She is still healing both physically and emotionally from breast cancer. We could not be more excited that this gift will bring her closer through healing after cancer. So we'd like to invite Amy Roderick up.
You've been through a lot, and this is going to help your life a whole lot more, right? So we want to thank everybody, even those that are here to celebrate this moment for you. So we're going to do a countdown. I want everybody to count. I start a countdown, all right? I want them to be able to drown out that drum over there. I know you ladies, we all talk loud. I know you got it in you. So let's get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Isn't that beautiful?
Yes, it's yours. You deserve it. Oh my gosh. You do.
Amy, here.
Go on, Amy, you can get in that car. Another life just made a whole lot better. Now wait, there's more. There is more, Amy. Yes, there is more. We are not done with you just yet. It's kind of like those shows. Wait, there's more. Let's pop the trunk. They call it